Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post a picture in your group that you have created on the linkedin.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Go to your home page by tapping on the home button at the top and then click on groups in the left side of the screen. After that, tap on the your group section and click on your group to which you would like to post. Scroll down and tap on this photo button. Then tap on select images to share. So here you should select an image and click on upload. Here you can see it, you can edit it. So here you can crop it, zoom in, you can straighten it, and as you go back you can also apply filters, make adjustments, you can add tags, so click anywhere and then add the tag. You can tag people and companies too, and you can also add the text. If you are done with these features, click on the done button down below to finally post your picture. Here you can add the text to it, add hashtags, select the commenting available or option, whether you would like to enable members of your group to comment to this post, and click on the post button down below to post your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.